Hello, I'm Valerie White, Interim Director of Public Health at NHS Dumfries and Galloway. We've had the news this week that we'll be moving down from Friday to level 1 in the Scottish Government Protection Framework. The reason that we're here is due to all the hard work of everybody across our region in suppressing the level of coronavirus, and that's really fantastic news. We've also seen the start of the rollout of the COVID vaccination programme. That's some of the best news that I have had all year, but that is going to take time to roll out. Sadly, it's not quite a silver bullet, and even those who have been vaccinated, which will be small numbers to start off with, will still have to follow the vax guidance. So although we have had some really great news over this week in our region, I still must be really honest with you and clear with you that coronavirus is still out there. It is not suppressed to the levels that it was following the first lockdown, and we do have a small number of coronavirus cases across the region, and it doesn't take long for this to actually escalate. So we must absolutely continue to be on our guard and follow the guidance and rules that are in place to protect us. I just want to highlight some of these rules that are really important, and this is that whilst we're in level 1, we still can't meet up in each other's houses, and the reason for that is because households are a known place where transmission of the virus can happen quite easily. And when we do go and visit family and friends, we do let down our guard and relax and in ways that we wouldn't in other settings. And so that's why it can be a risk area for transmission. So that rule still stays in place. We're going to see the opening up of some more of our hospitality sectors, and I know this is really welcome news for them. They've been working very hard to put in place measures to keep both staff and customers safe. And it's really important that we support the hospitality sector in doing that by following all the rules and guidance that there is, so that we can all keep safe. And one of the things that I do want to just pick up on in relation to this is the number of households that can actually meet together in hospitality settings. So if you're meeting up indoors in a restaurant or a pub or cafe, it's a maximum of 6 people from 2 households that can meet up. If you're meeting outdoors in a restaurant, cafe or bar setting, then it's 8 people from a maximum of 3 households. So it's really important that we do stick to this, because that helps to keep everybody safe, and it reduces the number of households that are mixing, and it reduces the transmission of the virus. I also just want to highlight to you that the coronavirus rates in our neighbouring local authority areas, both in Scotland and in England, are higher than they are in Dumfries and Galloway. So staying local is helping to protect yourself and your local community. As I've said many times when I've been doing these videos, if you do have symptoms of coronavirus, even if these symptoms are mild, you do need to self-isolate together with the rest of your household and book a test. And if that test result is positive, you need to work with the Test and Protect team so that they can identify close contacts and help break those chains of transmission. 2020 has truly been a pretty horrendous year for all of us, and there is absolutely some light at the tunnel, but we are not out of the woods yet. We've still got a way to go. But if we stick together, we stick to the rules and remain vigilant, we can come out the other side of this together. Thank you.